G'day everyone, welcome back to Pete's Investing. Today is March 29, 2023. This is the Bitcoin update. First of all, we look at the three timelines, the daily, the 4 hourly and the hourly. And you can see here, we look at the CCI 1500 and with its moving average of 400. And that's broken up to the upside on the daily. And on the 4 hourly, it's also in a bullish momentum. But on the hourly, it's dropped below its moving average, which is a bearish signal. So just be caution about going long at this point. We'll drill down to each of these just to get a better, clearer picture on them. So you can see here I've drawn these four support resistance lines. So this descending trend line from those highs there, and that ascending trend line as well. But I've also got this support line down here, this key support, and this key resistance area. So what it's looking at the moment is just a bit of a bounce off those two resistance areas, the descending line and the resistance line is bounced to the bottom, to the downside of that. If we look at the 4 hour chart, there's just drawn a Fibonacci retracement there. You can see there it's come here and bounced off the 23% a couple of times, and it's now bouncing up again off that 23% level. I've also drawn this dotted line, which is a minor support area. So if that breaks to the upside more convincingly and actually breaks through this resistance, we'll probably get rid of this support down here. We'll see a more bullish outcome, but at the moment, just be mindful. We need to see a break above these two resistance areas to be more bullish, but that's a positive sign in terms of bullishness if you want to look at it that way. In terms of the hourly chart though, just be mindful. The hourly is broken through to the downside of its moving average on the CCI, and also I've drawn a smaller Fibonacci retracement to that level there in that range, and you can see there it's down near the equivalent of 50% retracement, which is also a key area of reversal. So as long as it bounces up from there, that's a continuation of the bullish trend. If it drops much lower than a 61% retracement, so in other words, if it drops down there and below, we're going to see further declines coming up. So I'd wait for it to break, especially break above the moving average in the CCI, and more convincingly break above these two resistance areas to be more bullish. So at the moment, hold off going long if you're not in a trade, just until it breaks above these resistance areas to see more and see continuation of more bullishness on the CCI as well, breaking above its moving average. To understand how to properly trade using the average down approach, reference the links in the description below. Support and like us and support us further on at Patreon, and I'll see you in the next video.